Morning class. So, ang topic po natin ngayon is all about eclipse. Okay? So, we're going to talk about eclipse. Eclipse involves the sun, moon, and earth. Now, ano ba tong eclipse na to? An eclipse occurs when an object in space blocks the observer from seeing another object in space. In this case, either yung earth or moon po, binablock niya yung sun that causes the eclipse. Now, if in case which one blocks the other, nagkakaroon po tayo ng types of eclipse. Mamaya pag-uusapan natin yan. So, ito yung two types of eclipse. Meron tayong tinatawag na lunar at saka solar eclipse. So, pag sinabi natin lunar eclipse, as you can see in this photo, this is a lunar eclipse wherein the sun tumatama sa Earth yung kanyang liwanag at yung shadow ng Earth ay tumatama dun sa Moon. In this case, if that will be the case, kapag ang nasa gitna ay yung Earth, nasa pagitan ng Moon at saka Sun, ang tawag natin dun ay lunar eclipse. Okay? On the other hand, we have the solar eclipse. Ano naman tong solar eclipse? Solar eclipse po kapag ang nasa gitna ay yung Moon. Kapag yung Moon ang nasa gitna ng Earth at saka ng Sun, yung shadow ng Moon ang nakikita natin sa Earth. It looks like this. Kapag ka lunar eclipse po, kapag ka nasa gitna yung Earth, kadalasan nakikita natin ang Moon as red. Bakit? Kasi shallow lang nung reflections ng Sun or nung light ng Sun yung tumatama sa Moon. That's why it looks like red. Okay? But there are times naman na kung saan kapag total lunar eclipse, walang moon, hindi mo makikita yung moon or bigla lang mawawala yung moon for a certain period of time. And then, meron naman tayo tinatawag na solar eclipse. Ito solar eclipse, kadalasan makikita mo yung araw, kahit na umaga siya, matatakpan siya ng moon. Okay? Kaya makikita mo lang ay yung corona ng sun. Now, let's dive deep. So, solar eclipse. A solar eclipse occurs when the moon passes in front of the sun, causing the shadow to fall on certain portion of the earth. Ano ibig sabihin nun? Kapag ka daw yung nasa gitna yung moon, ng earth at saka ng sun, ang tendency, yung shadow ng moon, ang tumatama sa earth. Kaya ang nakikita po natin, dumidilim, and a certain portion of the earth, balik natin dito. Hindi po buong earth ang nakakakita ng solar eclipse. There's a certain portion of earth lang na kung saan pag tinignan mo, ito tinatamaan ng shadow, ibig sabihin, didilim yung portion na yan or parang siyang maggagabi. Bakit natatakpan ng moon kasi yung araw? That is a certain portion lang ng earth, hindi po buong earth. So, the eclipse is not seen from every place on the earth, but only from the location where the shadow falls. Kung saan lang po tumama yung shadow, dun lang po or dumidilim. Okay? That is solar eclipse. Ayan po. That is another example. Types of solar eclipse. Meron naman tayong different types of solar eclipse. Meron tayong total solar eclipse, annular solar eclipse, and partial solar eclipse. Ano tong mga to? Ito po, para mas madali nyo maintindihan. Okay? Hindi ko na babasahin yung definition doon. Pwede nyo namang i-post yung video once na ma-upload natin to sa FB page. So, ito yung total solar eclipse na kung saan natatakpan ng buo or completely yung sinag ng yung araw, kaya po yung rays lang yung nakikita natin. Just like this. Meron naman tayong annular solar eclipse na kung saan yung partial gitna lang po yung tatakpan ng araw. And then, ng araw ng buwan. Okay? Then we have partial solar eclipse na kung saan portion of the sun is just covered by the moon. Okay? Kaya po makikita nyo para siyang black. Tapos, matatakpan yung certain portion ng sun. Okay? That's the solar eclipse. This is what happens during solar eclipse. As the moon passes between the sun and the moon, or sun and the earth, the shadow of the moon tumatama doon sa certain portion ng Earth. Na kung saan po tumama yung portion na yon, doon lang po magiging parang madilim. Okay? Kung mapapansin din natin, may dalawang klaseng shadow dito. Meron tayo tinatawag na dark shadow at saka light shadow. Ano naman yon? Pag sinabi natin dark shadow, that is umbra. Okay? Pag sinabi natin light shadow, that's penumbra. Okay? This is the dark shadow is umbra and then the light shadow is penumbra. So that is solar eclipse. Next, we have the lunar eclipse. Lunar eclipse occurs when the Earth shadows blocks the sunlight which otherwise reflects on the moon. Ang buwan po ay hindi lumiliwanag. Okay? Di ba pagka tumingin kayo sa gabi, makikita nyo maliwanag ang buwan? Hindi po. Hindi po lumiliwanag ang buwan. Kaya po may liwanag ang buwan kasi yung sikat ng araw tumatama sa buwan. That's why it looks like the moon is shining. Okay? Now, nangyayari po sa lunar eclipse kapag ang sun ay tumama sa Earth at na-block yung sunlight na dapat tatama sa moon, ang nangyayari ay nagiging black or nawawala yung sinag ng buwan. In this case, may dalawang klase tayong lunar eclipse. We have the total lunar eclipse and the partial lunar eclipse. Pag sinabi natin total lunar eclipse, when the moon and the sun are exact opposite sides of the earth. Kapag napapagitnaan po yung earth ng moon at saka sun. Okay? Nasa gitna yung earth. Partial naman po kapag partial lang ng earth ang nakatakip sa sun. Okay? This is an example of lunar eclipse. As you can see, imbis na dapat magkaroon ng shadow or magkaroon ng sinag ng araw yung moon para mag-light up siya, natakpan siya ng earth. In this case, kapag gano'n na nangyari, that is called as total lunar eclipse. Ito po yung example kapag natatakpan ng earth ang moon. Okay? Kung mapapansin nyo, there are times na nagiging reddish siya. Kapag reddish siya, ibig sabihin, partial of the shadow of the earth is passing through the moon. Okay? Disclaimer lang po. This is very important. Make sure that if there will be an eclipse, don't look at it. Kasi it is just the same as looking directly on the sun. Although it will become dark kasi matatabunan nga ng moon yung sun, but still, the sun rays will going to pass through your eyes and it is very dangerous. So don't ever look at it in a naked eye. So dapat meron tayong device na gamit. Okay? Interesting facts of eclipse. The solar eclipse will last 7.5 minutes. Okay? The most solar eclipse of any type can occur on Earth within a year is 5. The total solar eclipse occurs about every 1.5 years. Animals sometimes become confused, behave strangely during total eclipse of the sun. So, in the Philippines, I can't recall kung kailan huling nagkaroon ng total solar eclipse dito. Hindi ko ma-remember. Okay? Search na lang siguro yan sa Google if there's any. Okay? Now, this is for the activity ninyo ngayong week na to. Okay? I want you to bring up these materials. Flashlight, cellphone will do. Dalawang magkaibang laki ng bola, then thread or tali, isang stick, and then scissor. And do this. Okay? Do this. And then observe what happened. On the dark room, now I want you to make a picture of yourself doing this activity and then post it on the comment section nitong video na to kapag na-i-upload na sa FB page natin. Okay? So, dalawang gagawin ninyo. isang solar eclipse at saka isang lunar eclipse. Ito. So, kung mapapansin nyo, the guy is lighting up the smaller ball papunta dun sa bigger ball. And then the other one, the guy is lighting up the bigger ball and the smaller ball. You have to make a picture of yourself doing this activity and then post it on the comment sections here. Okay? So that is all our topic for today. Thank you for listening. See you again next time.